Stem cells are cells that have huge adaptability and remarkable healing abilities. They exist to heal the body as well as play a pioneering role in the development of the body from a zygote to a complete adult human being, and continue to play this role in maintaining the body until a person breathes his last breath. These stem cells can differentiate into any type of cell and can help us repair damaged tissues, organs, and systems by replacing damaged cells in the body. These stem cells have given hope to the future world that the future therapeutic procedures are going to involve stem cells, and this way, drugs that have a high risk of unavoidable side effects will be avoided and replaced with more effective and less dangerous treatments. In a human adult, stem cells are present in various parts of the body, but their origin needs to be elaborated. Their origin can be traced back to embryonic stem cells that were present in the early stages of human development and even before. To understand the origin of stem cells from the very initial stages of human development, we have to look at this origin from the angle of the Big Bang Theory. Just like the origin of the universe, which was from a single central point, the origin of stem cells is also from a single central point. In both cases, from a starting point, things started to spread all over and form an operational living system in which life exists. The universe and the human body are both functional and continuously working. This similarity helps us understand how stem cells play a pioneering role in the development of a zygote into an adult human being and, after that, in the maintenance of the body. It also helps to explain why stem cells, like the early universe, are so powerful. Stem cells have the capacity to divide, multiply, and differentiate into numerous types of cells. When a sperm cell locates an egg cell that is waiting and fertilizes it, a zygote is created. Immediately thereafter, mitosis takes place and the zygote grows into a ball made up of cells called blastomeres. With all of these blastomeres, this ball is then prepared to burst and continue to grow so that the embryo's development may proceed. Since they can differentiate into all the body's cell types, but not into placental or extra embryonic tissues for the development of the embryo, these blastomeres are regarded as stem cells in this process. Along with the blastomeres, there are cells that are totipotent stem cells and originate from the zygote, and those have the ability to differentiate into any type of specialized cell in the body, such as the placenta, umbilical cord, and other extra embryonic tissues. Some scientists consider blastomeres to be totipotent stem cells, while others argue that there are separate totipotent stem cells other than blastomeres. The embryonic stem cells appear after the appearance of blastomeres, including the blastomeres themselves, and they have the capacity to differentiate into a vast range of specialized cell types, with the exclusion of extra embryonic and placental tissues. This means that although these blastomeres are very early embryonic cells, they cannot become all cell types present in the body, whereas totipotent stem cells have the ability to do so. To make it simpler, those embryonic stem cells that are able to differentiate into all the cell types in the body, which are over 200, but not the extra embryonic cell types, are called pluripotent stem cells, and they form the whole body of an adult in the course of the growth of a human being. Post-growth, and after an adult body is formed, there are no pluripotent stem cells in the body, as their role was only in the early stages of development. The pluripotency of the stem cells decreases as the body develops and ages. The only type of stem cells that exist in an adult are the somatic stem cells, which are multipotent and are members of the healing department of the body. These somatic stem cells can differentiate into only a few of the cell types in the body and cannot create an entire adult body, but they are vital for a body to survive, as they have splendid healing potential and ability. The multipotent stem cells are present in numbers in various parts of the body. The biggest origin and source of adult stem cells is the bone marrow of the body, from which we can easily extract hematopoietic stem cells, which even help in curing blood cancer. Apart from the bone marrow, stem cells are found in blood vessels, the skin of the body, the liver, gut, muscles, and brain. Teeth in the oral cavity have dental stem cells in the dental pulp of the teeth, and even fat is a good source of stem cells. All these stem cells are like a defense force for the body, always ready to take action when needed to heal the body and continuously maintain it. In essence, the multipotent stem cells serve as the body's own repair team that continuously works to keep the body healthy and functioning. To be specific about the origin and source of adult stem cells in the body, it can be said that their origin can be traced back to the early stages of development, and those pluripotent stem cells in the embryonic stages were the ancestral parents of the adult stem cells that exist now in the adulthood of a person.